One of our existing solutions to enable an EV fleet is to work with our clients to install electric vehicle charging points at the homes of their engineers, drivers, or anyone who can use an EV day to day. For a company, creating this infrastructure at home saves time spent charging, is cheaper than public chargers, and can support their wider decarbonisation strategy. For the driver, they can start their morning fully charged, map their schedule in advance, and make the most of their day. At Ground Control, we pride ourselves on safety and experience. Our installation experts operate nationwide on a wide range of domestic and commercial properties. We work alongside staff to design a charging solution that doesn't interfere with their home life, and our qualified technicians safely complete the install, accredited to NIC, EIC, ECA and CDM. We install the CT clamps and the isolator switches to ensure the circuit is isolated and does not overload the system. Once installed, users are onboarded to a specialist app that shows them everything from charging history to any maintenance requirements.